What's the meaning of berg? Berg. Berg.
Berg. Berg. The word berg is a Germanic term that means mountain or hill. It is commonly used in English to refer to a large mass or block of ice floating in the sea, known as an iceberg. The term berg is also used in various contexts such as literature, music, and film. For example, the famous composer Alban Berg was known for his contributions to the Second Viennese School of Music. In literature, the term can be found in works by authors such as Thomas Mann and Herman Melville. Overall, the word berg has a broad range of meanings and applications, with its origins tracing back to Germanic language.